Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
Hope it's not too dark in here. I'm doing something a little bit different. I got a light. We're going to use that, but I had to shut the garage because it's kind of cold here in Texas today, and I don't feel like freezing my ass off. Today's video, we're going to talk about a few things. We're going to work on the Hulk there behind me. We're going to fix the
Shift rod linkage.
listen to that right there. The back part of the linkage that hooks directly in to the transmission that is in between the primary and the transmission. We're going to fix that. We're going to talk about a few things. We did hit 350 subscribers. So you guys, thank you so much for that. It means a lot to me because we're growing this channel organically. I'm not doing sub for sub. I've signed up to no Facebook communities that like subscribe to each other. I have not bought any subscribers, which it seems kind of weird to me, but I guess there's people out there that do that. So this is all organic. This is growing just based on people that are enjoying watching my silly ass make these videos. And I think they're getting better every time we make them. So what, is this 111 now? Quite a few videos. I'm really excited to see people subscribing to the channel and watching this grow.
I'm just a big goofy idiot, folks.
We're gonna talk about a few things in the video, just some like life updates, stuff like that. We're getting set up here. We're kind of all moved in. Not completely. As you can tell, it's echoey in here. I swear to God, I'll get some microphones so it's not so echoey. Yeah, let's just get into it.
So how is everybody doing?
We doing good? You know, I've been having this issue with the bike for, God, I don't know, probably a few months. You know, it's just annoying. It's nothing it's not hurting the performance of the bike. It rides fine, works fine, everything's good, but it's annoying as hell. Let me show you what we're doing here. I'm loosening that right there. And we'll get that off. That's what we're doing. Let me set you back down. So yeah, rides fine, runs great, but it's just an annoyance. I don't like the rattle at a stoplight and stuff, so get this all fixed up here. We're all moved in. We're into the new house. I shouldn't say we're all moved in. We're getting there. It's been kind of crazy. I've had a few massive changes within my life in the last week. That got it off. Made some decisions that I usually wouldn't make. I'm the type of guy that's always done things for my family. I've never really just done stuff for myself. So I kind of made a decision last Thursday to kind of do some things for myself. If you're new to the channel, my name is Robbie. This is Stiff Rides. Welcome. If you enjoy this type of content involving motorcycles and Harley-Davidsons and all that fun stuff, please consider hitting that subscribe button. You get some value or entertainment out of this, obviously. Anyway, let's get back to work on the Hulk. So I got this loose, I got this off. As you can see, come here. Let me bring you back over here really quick. Here's what I'm talking about, man. Look, see? This is not supposed to be doing that. This guy keeps pulling away from the shaft. See, now, if I stick it back on there, look, no movement. It's good, right? That's what we want. So we're going to have to loosen that up again, tighten it back down. All right. It was a success. Hopefully this is the last time I have to do this because I'm getting really tired of doing this. If you have a similar problem with your Harley-Davidson, again, this is a 2009, anything from like 2000 and up all the way to, what, like 2016? Because 17 is when the Milwaukee 8 came out. But that stuff might all be similar on those bikes too. I'm not sure. If you have this issue, let me know. The only other option to fix this is you've got to rip everything off. I would have to take the primary completely off, the outer and the inner to get to this. Now, as you can see, this is not moving anymore, so it's good to go. I've just got to reattach the shift rod linkage. Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Bleep, bleep, bleep.
Tighten that back up there and we'll be good. See, look. All fixed. No more rattle. Woohoo! If you guys have this problem, let me know in the comments. Because I'm really sick and tired of messing around with it. I don't want to put Loctite on there. I don't think that... Yeah, I guess I could put Loctite on there, huh? Maybe I should just do that. It's probably a good idea. Is that what you've done? To fix the problem? I don't know. I'm not afraid to make myself look like an idiot. We learn things as we go. It is how it is, right? Yeah, let's move on to the next. That's what I'm talking about.
If
I would have took my bike to a dealership, that right there probably would have cost me like $275. Insanity. Nothing against you, Harley. I know the tech's got to get paid, and you guys are making these new bikes so they can, because the newer the motorcycle, the harder of a time you're gonna have working on it. Trust me when I say that. I really, honest to God, think the twin cam is the last Harley Davidson motor that if you're stranded on the side of the road, and don't get me wrong, it's still very, very difficult because there's a lot of electronic components on these motorcycles, you can still probably get it fixed and be on your merry way to get yourself to a dealership. But we all know the Evo was like the last true Harley Davidson motor that you could work on and really just get your stuff sorted out and fixed without having to go to a dealer. Let's talk about these new bikes for a minute. I went to the dealership over there in Fort Worth, hung out with Tex. Hey, what's up, man? I'm Robbie.
I'm Tex.
Nice to meet you, Tex. Really cool guy. Got to see him. Still haven't taken one for a test ride yet. I think we need to do that. We need to do more of that stuff on this channel. Seeing as how it is a motorcycle channel. That's the topic, right? I guess you'd say that's my niche. We need to go out. We need to take some test drives. So Tex, if you're watching, I'm going to be heading up your way here in the next couple weeks. We want to test ride some Harleys here on Stiff Rides, man. Don't worry. My driving record is clean. Nothing bad on there. A-okay, dandy. I apologize, you guys. I'm kind of a butthead for not telling you. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, a 1/4 inch Allen, and then you're going to need a 3/8 extension, a shorty extension. Obviously, you know, an elbow, which is also 3/8. So that's going to allow you to kind of get in here and access this. You can see I did gnarl up my fin a little bit here. You know, I'm not planning on getting rid of this bike. My son will be riding this bike. Those are the tools for the job. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 shorty extender, 3/8 elbow, a 1/4 inch Allen. That'll get the job done. You also need a 7/16 wrench. It's kind of important. Don't forget about that. There you go. I always travel with my handy dandy toolkit here just in case something was ever to happen on the road, especially on those long trips like going to Sturgis or anything like that. Always got this with me. It's got every single tool I could ever need to work on the engine and repair it and fix it. I'm not going to have everything to like tear the motor completely apart and work on it. If something was to go wrong, I could work on my bike. Keep it right in my right side saddlebag. If I ever need them, there they are. All right, guys, I think we're going to end the video right here for today. Hopefully you got some kind of entertainment out of this. We are all about the ride. We are all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later.